Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to screen record on Samsung Galaxy A54. So, if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 and you want to screen record on your Samsung device, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to screen record on Samsung Galaxy A54, all you need to do is go ahead and open your control center. On the Samsung Galaxy A54 control center, swipe left, locate and click on screen recorder. Now, once you selected screen recorder, it should say start recording with screen recorder. Under sound, make sure you check media and mic. And then if you want to show your tap and touches when you start recording, turn on show taps and touches. And then click on start recording. Once you hit start recording, you should see the countdown. Now, after the countdown, everything on your Samsung A54 screen will be recorded. Then you can just click on this pencil arrow or edit pencil arrow to create an arrow of your choice or a pointed arrow while you record. And then once you're done, go ahead and click on the stop button at the top right. Then you should say recording saved. Go to your Photos app or gallery to open recorded videos. So just click on this search and then search for recorded screen. Click on that, then open it. Then you should see your recorded screen just like this. You see that? So that is exactly how to screen record on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.